What is Henkel? We are here a plant with production of chemicals, with adhesives, with detergents. We are operating in over 800 industries.
Show you our site here in Düsseldorf.
The company is over 140 years old, is family owned. This gives us always the opportunity to think in generations. We have our own production sites where everything we do, we can test and get the toughest feedback, because what we want to sell is proven, certified products. The expertise we sell is understanding your pipeline system and not only making sure your flange is sealed and you can be safe that there is no leakage. With LOCTITE Pulse, we can go beyond that. We can actually predict when it could come to a leakage. And now think about sensorizing every drop of LOCTITE. Every bond, every seal that you have in your factory is sending information that you can process and derive value out of this. The expertise is in the heads, hearts, and hands of our people. Thank you.